Hello everyone. Welcome to Fun Cooking with Knox. In this episode, we are going to cook Spam fried rice. Yay! I am so excited. The ingredients that we need for this Spam fried rice, of course, we need Spam! Yeah, baby, Spam! A whole can of Spam. And 4 eggs. Yes, 4 eggs. Onion. Yes, we're going to chop the onion. And garlic. We need a 1/4 cup of garlic. Yeah, baby. And Mr. and Mrs. Black pepper and salt and pepper. And of course, a 1/2 cup of soy sauce, Mr. La Choy. Woohoo! So our fried rice won't be a fried rice if we don't have 6 cups of rice. Woohoo! Here is a medium onion, so we are going to cut it half. Now we are going to dice this one, guys. So just cut it this way. Okay. Then after that, cut it this way. Because my kids doesn't like onions, so I'm cutting this one smaller than it. Maybe some of you doesn't know how to open a Spam, or this is the first time you've seen a Spam in a can. So you see this little lever over here? You flip this one toward you and it will create this little hole over here. Then after that, you pull it and that's how you open. Like opening a Christmas present. Woohoo! All right, so push this side and then there you go. That's the Spam for you. All right. What I do, I put it on the side and see that little groove over here. I don't know if you can see it, but in here you see that one. So we are gonna about 1/2 inch. That's what we're gonna cut, okay? A little 1/2 inch. The section, all right, this one, and then cut that too, and then cut. Maybe we're gonna cut this one too on the side. Okay. So we have parted 3 times, and then we're gonna cut it another 1/2 inch. And we need 4 eggs. And salt and pepper. Then beat the egg. The first thing we need to do is add oil. So I have a canola oil over here. And first we're gonna cook the eggs first, okay? So I'm not gonna put a lot of oil. We're gonna fry our eggs. So I'm just gonna distribute this oil everywhere so that it won't stick. All right, here's our oil. And then we are going to pour our eggs. All right, our egg is done. This should be done. We don't want to overcook our egg, okay? We're gonna cook our Spam. So again, we're gonna put oil in here, but this time it's gonna be a little bit, because we're gonna fry our rice over here. So the pot is already hot because we just cooked our egg. Then I'll go ahead and pour our Spam over here. Just make sure that they stick to each other. Alright, so I'm going to make a little hole in the middle, and then I will put my garlic and my garlic here. Right after the garlic, I'll put the onion that was chopped. Just mix it together with the. This time, we'll add our 6 cups of rice. Let's go mix it with the meat. This time we're gonna add our egg. Oh, look at that. It looks so beautiful. Ooh, I can't wait to eat this. Ooh. Oh, wow, look at that.